Lower cost, better quality, all with a few simple upgrades? If that sounds like a recipe for success, you're right. In this segment, we're giving you an inside look at proven strategies that can literally make your car wash money. We'll be taking a look at saving space and improving quality by installing a compact top brush, better customer flow and experience with license plate recognition or LPR, converting to a digital menu and opening up a world of custom opportunities, a self-cleaning vacuum tank to save on maintenance and labor, giving your top package added value with Ceramic X3 and Cerabond, upping that wow factor with a grand entrance arch, keeping the customer entertained and engaged with mood lighting, giving yourself better and more customized options with our media bracket, improving that front-end clean with our Grille Brush, and making the entire wash process smart with LPR Smart Queue. Now, here's your host, Anthony Analetto, leading our team of experts with car wash upgrades that pay you back.
Hey, my name's Anthony Analetto from Studies of Car Wash Factory. I want to talk to you about some upgrades that we've put together that can really pay back. These will help you lower costs, better your quality, increase your customer satisfaction, drive more volume to your site, save money, and differentiate you from your competitor. Hey, remember, you can do this in pieces, and you can get the maximum benefits by doing so. Take one of these ideas at a time and try to get them implemented. Use your team, involve them in prioritizing the list, help them pick and choose what they think will get the maximum benefits and maximum improvements to the site, so they'll be involved. It's constant innovation that your customers will notice week after week and month after month as you guys try to make a better location. Okay, guys, let's get started. Hey, this next upgrade is really going to pay back big time, both in quality cars, speed of service, eliminating prepping. This is our compact top brush. Again, we've got two top brushes. We've got a 2K14, we got a DCW. We use them for the buff and dry, for the washing. We change directions, we wash the back of the trucks. This piece here is designed to replace a mitter and have somebody the ability to add a top brush in between their wraparounds, in their spider frame unit. Basically, got to take down the mitter basket, and you got to bolt this unit on in the passenger side gusset corner. Take out that gusset, this goes in place. Right now it's electric drive. We're going to work on the hydraulic drive as well. It's a great upgrade. We'll try to get some videos out there to show you how to do it. And then if you're ordering a new tunnel and you want to do two top brushes, a DCW and a standard, you can do that. If you want to do a small top brush spider and then another mitter, you can do that too. I love cleaning actions. I like mixing them up. But if you are right now all mitters and you want to get a top brush in there to help the cleaning, this is the way to do it. So take a look at that compact top brush conversion operation. All right, folks, the next upgrade that can really help you save some money and improve your service and your experience for your customer is converting from RFID to LPR. This here tracks the customer's license plate for all the club plans. It'll save you money, you'll get faster services and faster upgrades, and it'll be more convenient for your customer. Here's Nick Kearns to tell you a little bit more about the program.
Okay, so we all know how RFID works. Traditionally, you would pull up to the pay station, decide you want to purchase the $30 membership, swipe your credit card, and at some point before you leave the property, you need to flag down an attendant, go into the lobby, they have to print out the RFID tag, apply it to your vehicle, and then you're on your way. That obviously takes a couple extra operational steps as far as the cost of the RFID tags themselves, which are not cheap. But with license plate recognition, all of that goes away. So the same customer can come up to the pay station, select the membership that they would like to join, and once they swipe their credit card, the gate goes up and they're finished. They're fully enrolled. We have their license plate on file, so the next time that we see them, the gate goes up and they get the wash that is on their membership, and there's no need for that extra labor or the cost of the RFID sticker.
The next big upgrade that'll really pay you back is going to be this Ceramic X3 and our Ceramic Cerabond. Ryan, let's tell them about what we're using.
Thanks, Anthony. It's pretty exciting. The Ceramic X3 process and really Cerabond and the next product we're coming out with, our Rain Repel infused with ceramics, They're really ROIing in about under 3 months for most of our companies. We studied about 10 car washes. It's adding about a buck per car, and even though there's about anywhere from 10 to 30 to 40 grand in upgrades you need to actually get the biggest bang out of the buck, we're typically seeing an ROI in under 3 months. So it's been a really good opportunity for our customers to make money and change the experience of their car wash.
And I got to tell you, I've played with the products at home, and I've played with them at the car washes, and I've talked to the chemist up there at our Diamond Shine office, and man, I'm excited about it. It's really big. I love the way it looks. I love the way it feels. We've tested it with customers that are washing with the Full Fusion monthly memberships, and they're coming back around and going, what was that? I can see the difference, and my car looked great before. So I think it's going to be a great add-on. If you haven't done it, contact one of the salespeople, and you're going to love it. The next new upgrade that'll really help pay back, both in cleaning quality, performance, customer satisfaction, maximizing your tunnel space, is our new 4-bar linkage Grille Brush. Our old one used to extend down the tunnel, so it took up more space than our standard Grille Brush or our tall 60-inch van brush. This one here fits in that same spot. We also made the bridge go straight across, so you can actually use it to mount an Omni, a wax arch, a rinse arch, anything else you might need to help enhance your package in the car wash tunnel. It's a great design. It cleans the front of the grill, stays on there again for that 3 feet, comes back down, washes the sides straight as an arrow, won't flip the mirrors, and does a really good job. So if you've got some old brushes in there, you want to upgrade, maximize your cleaning performance, and increase your customer satisfaction, this one will pay back really quick. So take a look at the Grille Brush. All right, folks, the next upgrade that we have that'll really help pay back is converting from a static menu on the driveway entrance to a digital menu. The Samsung TV screens, digital menus are live, they're programmable, they can be set up for a year in advance, and Nick Kearns is gonna come up here and tell you all the different benefits that you can do to use this here to really enhance your location.
The Sonny's digital menu has been a very popular item for the past couple of years. What it's providing to the customers is a more interactive menu than your traditional signage. So when you have 4 or 5 cars that are in the stack waiting to get to the pay station, they now see something that has moving characters. It's a little more interactive. They understand that you have gift card programs. They understand that you have memberships, and they understand that if they do purchase the top package, they're going to get right what's in that cool video right on the digital menu screen that they see. The biggest advantage of having a digital menu is that you can change it with the year or whatever promotions that you want to offer throughout the course of the year. For example, if you want to push gift cards heavily around Mother's Day or Father's Day, you can have special screens for that. Or let's say that you really want to push some discounted memberships near Christmas. You can have the whole month of December have Santa Claus flying around in the background with reindeers and snow falling rather than your traditional bubbles and waterfalls that are in the back. You can schedule these to turn on and off automatically. So all you have to do is turn on this menu when you get to the wash, turn it off when you leave, and Sonny's takes care of the rest.
This new upgrade that we're working on, that we're going to release, is really one of those that'll pay back in spades. It is a self-cleaning vacuum tank. One, we went to stainless steel a while ago. We did that there. One of the things we never fix, and it's the standard in our industry, are the bags that we have to shake down every so often and clean. And sometimes the guys pop them out of place, they get contaminated, then they cause problems with the turbines. So there's some issues there. We've actually built a self-cleaning vacuum separator that works just like our cyclone separators. We move the suction to the top. They're pleated filters. Inside each pleated filter is a swivel and a bunch of nozzles, and we have an air tank. This thing loads up and blows down each filter and blows all the dirt out every 10 minutes, every 20 minutes, depending on how busy your operation is. So these tanks, which is taking all the dust from all of our vacuum cleaners, instead of clogging up and reducing suction or getting through to our turbine and causing a problem, we're going to blow it out and clean it out. The new bucket that's in the bottom and the way the tank's designed, all that dirt goes at the bottom and stays there. The next upgrade that'll really pay you back is a grand entrance arch. I know it sounds like I'm selling signage, but if you want to look like a professional franchise operation, a fully lit grand entrance arch will do a bunch of things. First impressions when they drive up is a professional site. It's an upgraded site. The second one confirms what they bought at the pay station is what they're going to get because it lights up on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, it's going to give them the instructional signs. Neutral, no brake, no steering wheel. Makes it easy for an employee to look like they're professional and guiding them along to what they need to do to make it work right. This is a great piece. Your customers will wow. They'll smile when it lights up. And bigger sections light up, the bigger the wash package they get. So the more they pay, the more they see. This is a great way to introduce your brand to them and support what you're doing and make them feel comfortable about the process that they just bought. Hey, the next upgrade that'll really pay you back, not only in, maybe not in dollars, but it'll bring customers back, they'll talk about it. This is the mood lighting. Mood lighting is really cool. Instead of just trying to light up the foam in the car or activate when somebody buys a pay service, this is interior of the tunnel. It's down the tunnel, cascaded down the walls, changing the ambiance in the field because you can make that, with a DMX box, that color chase up and down the tunnel. Also, St. Patrick's Day, all green. October, all pink. Anything you want to do, Valentine's Day, red. Red, white, and blue on the 4th of July. These things make you brand your tunnel. They make the customers know that you're in touch with what's going on in the community and what's going on in the calendar. And it really makes them talk about you, and that's how you get paid back. More customers come visit. One upgrade that we created that'll really help pay back in the time it takes to install the new signage and do all these new sign kits and lay out a tunnel real nice with the Fusion package is the media bracket. This bracket goes behind all of our new sign cabinets today. It's a nice universal bracket that allows it to swivel and pivot so the sides can turn in and out, corners can turn down 45, top can pivot down towards the customer. These brackets make changing your signs, moving them around, mounting them to any arch you want. Mirror, freestanding applicator arch, media arch, rinse arch, rain MA, even on blowers. You can put these on there and angle them in so the customer gets a much longer and a much better read. You're gonna love these brackets. They'll get more value out of your signs. All right, folks, the next upgrade that we're gonna talk about, which can really help you save money and really do more with a small property, is our LPR Smart Queue. This unit has helped a local car wash operator here save about $200,000. We were going to tear the site apart and put the pay stations after the vacuums. Now with the Smart Queue, we don't have to. We're going to leave the site the way it is. We're going to put the pay stations in early. We're going to leave the vacuums where they are. It's going to save them a ton of money. It's going to operate as smooth as it would have if we did it the other way around. And I think it's going to have a higher ticket average. Nick Kern's going to come up and explain to you a little bit more about it, how it works, and why it's so unique.
Yes, like Anthony said, the LPR Smart Queue can be a solution if you are faced with a problem with a difficult site layout. Let's say that you're interested in a piece of property where it's going to be impossible for your vacuums to be post-tunnel. So you're going to have a situation where you have customers going up to the pay stations, the gates are going to open, and their vacuum area is before your wash tunnel. This is going to change a sequential stack into a random stack, since obviously some people are going to spend more time vacuuming their vehicles than others should they choose to vacuum at all. The LPR Smart Queue utilizes an additional LPR camera to your site that is pointing right around the area of the correlators. And what it's doing is once it sees the next car that's getting loaded onto the conveyor, we look at that license plate and attach it to the transaction that they made at the pay station. So no matter how many random cars you have in your queue, the customer that's getting loaded onto the conveyor is always going to get the wash that they purchased at the pay station.
Amazing ideas with proven financial results. These car wash upgrades that pay you back are ready and waiting for you and your team. Let's recap these options one more time. We took a look at saving space and improving quality by installing a compact top brush. Improved customer flow and experience with license plate recognition, or LPR. Converting to a digital menu and opening up a world of custom opportunities. A self-cleaning vacuum tank to save on maintenance and labor. Giving your top package added value with Ceramic X3 and Cerabond. Upping that wow factor with a grand entrance arch. Keeping the customer entertained and engaged with mood lighting. Giving yourself better and more customized options with our media bracket. Improving that front end clean with our Grille Brush. and making the entire wash process smart with LPR Smart Queue. Remember, not every upgrade has to be tackled all at once. Consult your team and make them a part of the process. Find the upgrades that are right for you and commit to tackling one this quarter. Then give us a call and we'll see where we can go from there.
All right, I want to thank the team for putting together this great list of ideas. There's a lot of opportunities here to enhance your site, make it better, and include your team in the decision-making process and the execution process. This is what makes business fun, always being on the cutting edge. Again, we put our list together. I'm sure you folks can find some more things to add to it. And the best thing you can do is pick one and give it a try. As always, good luck and good washing.